In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms with HoneyBook. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to automatically transfer data from your Google Forms directly into HoneyBook, saving you both time and effort. Now let's dive right into it and get started with this useful automation. First, you'll need to visit Zapier.com. If you haven't yet created an account, take a moment to sign up or simply sign in if you're returning. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your favorite apps, so integrating Google Forms with HoneyBook is made easy through their interface. Once you've logged in, look for the option to create Zap, which is prominently displayed on the dashboard. Clicking on this will start the process of building your automation, or Zap, as it's called in Zapier terms. Now let's set up our trigger, which is the event that initiates the automated workflow. For our trigger app, we'll select Google Forms. Within the Google Forms options, you'll want to choose New Form Response. This means that every time a new response is submitted via your Google Form, it will set off this Zap. The next step is to connect your Google account to Zapier. Once connected, you'll be guided to select the specific form you want to use. Make sure you pick the correct form, as this will be essential for data transfer. Moving on, let's set up our action, which is what happens in the destination app when the trigger is activated. For this, choose HoneyBook as your action app. HoneyBook is a great client management software that can handle inquiries and projects. Depending on your needs, you can select actions such as create inquiry or create project. These actions correspond to what you want to accomplish in HoneyBook when a new form is submitted. After choosing your action in HoneyBook, the next step is to connect your HoneyBook account to Zapier. This connection will allow Zapier to send data over as each new form response is received. Once you're set up, you'll need to match the fields from your Google form to the corresponding fields in HoneyBook. This might include details like name, email, and message. Make sure these are aligned correctly so the information goes exactly where you want it in HoneyBook. Finally, when everything looks good, you can go ahead and click Test and Publish Zap. This will activate your Zap and enable the integration. It's always a good idea to test it first to ensure everything works smoothly before publishing it. And there you have it. You've now set up a seamless integration between Google Forms and HoneyBook using Zapier. This automation will help you capture and organize your form responses without manual input, making your workflow much more efficient. Enjoy the convenience of having your systems connected and let the technology do the heavy lifting for you.